far away from the noise of crowded cities and modern technology. High in the beautiful Alborz Mountains of northern Iran, there are families who continue to live as nomads, following traditions that have been passed down for generations. Their lifestyle may seem simple, but it is filled with valuable lessons that many people in today's world have forgotten. Every day begins before sunrise. While most people are still sleeping, nomadic families are already awake and preparing for the day ahead. Sheep and goats need food and water, shelters must be clean, and many daily responsibilities must be completed before the sun rises high over the mountains. One of the first lessons we learn from nomadic life is the importance of discipline. Success in the mountains depends on consistency. Animals cannot be ignored for a day, and responsibilities cannot be postponed. This teaches us that achieving our goals in life also requires daily effort, patience, and commitment. Another important lesson is self-reliance. Nomadic families often live far from towns and cities. Because of this, they learn how to solve problems on their own. They care for their animals, prepare their food, and manage their daily lives using the resources available around them. In a world where many people depend heavily on technology and convenience, nomads remind us that true strength comes from learning useful skills and becoming more independent. Life in the Alborz Mountains also teaches the value of hard work. Every meal on the table is earned through effort. Every healthy animal represents hours of care and attention. Nothing comes easily, and because of that, everything is appreciated more deeply. Perhaps one of the most powerful lessons from nomadic life is gratitude. Living close to nature helps people appreciate simple things that are often taken for granted: clean water, fresh air, healthy animals, and the beauty of a peaceful sunrise over the mountains. Many people spend years chasing more money, bigger houses, and expensive possessions, believing these things will bring happiness. Yet nomadic families often find joy in simple moments: sharing meals together, caring for animals, and watching the beauty of nature around them. This reminds us that happiness does not always come from what we own. Sometimes it comes from meaningful work, strong relationships, and a sense of purpose. The relationship between nomads and nature is another important lesson. They understand that their survival depends on the health of the land. They respect the environment, use natural resources carefully, and move their animals responsibly to protect grazing areas. Their lifestyle shows us that humans and nature are not separate. We are connected, and when we care for the environment, we are also caring for our future. Family is also at the center of nomadic life. Every member of the family has a role to play. Children learn responsibility from an early age. Adults work together to overcome challenges, and elders pass down knowledge that has been preserved for centuries. This strong sense of cooperation teaches us that success is rarely achieved alone. Communities become stronger when people support and help one another. Despite facing difficult weather, long working hours, and challenging conditions, nomadic families continue their way of life with determination and resilience. They understand that difficulties are a natural part of life, and that every challenge can become an opportunity to grow stronger. In today's fast-moving world, where stress, anxiety, and distractions have become common, the lifestyle of Iranian nomads offers an important reminder. A meaningful life is not measured by luxury or material wealth. It is measured by purpose, hard work, gratitude, family, and harmony with nature. The people of the Alborz Mountains teach us that true wealth is not always found in cities or bank accounts. Sometimes it can be found in the simple rhythm of daily life, the beauty of nature, and the satisfaction that comes from honest work. Their story is more than just a story about surviving in the mountains. It is a lesson about living with purpose, respecting nature, valuing family, and appreciating the blessings that surround us every day. The timeless wisdom of Iranian nomads continues to inspire people around the world, reminding us that sometimes the simplest way of life can teach the greatest lessons. The mountains give them a home, nature gives them a purpose, and their hard work gives them a future.